So, just a few days ago, before the company could make an official announcement, we managed to get our hands on a Google Pixel 8 series promo video to offer you an in-depth rundown of the future smartphone's cameras. Now, well in advance of its release on October 4th, we offer to you the detailed characteristics of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, once more thanks to tipster Kamila Wojciechowska. The reported price of the phone in the UK and the US also surfaced online today, and one of the leaks also included critical specifications for the two devices. The 8GB RAM Pixel 8 will be available for $699 or £699 starting price. With its new LTPO OLED screen, the Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to cost £999 in the UK but only $899 in the US. While keeping the same cameras, the Pixel 8 is certainly a slight improvement over its predecessor. The Tensor G3 chipset, which has more computing power, will probably bring about the biggest shift. On both smartphones, the sensor behind the selfie camera will also shift. The 12MP sensor in the Pixel 7 Pro is being replaced with a new 48MP super wide camera in the Pixel 8 Pro, but it will still be present in the non-Pro model. This time, the third camera will fit into the oval shape adjacent to the other two shooters. The hero color will be the blue we have seen in numerous commercials. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will have 7 years of software support. By going above and above Google's prior guarantee of 5 years of service for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, a new benchmark for smartphone durability has been established. The new Tensor G3 CPU, with 8GB of RAM in the Pixel 8 and an amazing 12GB in the 8 Pro, will power the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. With up to 256GB of storage for the Pixel 8 and an astounding 1TB in the US for the 8 Pro, storage options are sure to impress. Both devices should also support Qi wireless charging, have fast charging capabilities, and have IP68 ratings for dust and water protection. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 8 series? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.